y'all, welcome back to Nessa's Nest Designs. I'm Vanessa and I love sharing DIYs that make your home feel cozy, creative, and full of seasonal charm. Let's jump right into it. Here are some old pumpkins I've had for a while and I've been wanting to turn them into a pottery barn inspired terracotta look. So here I am mixing a little baking soda into the black paint to give it that texture matte look. It's coming out so beautiful. Now I'm just sprinkling some cinnamon and a bit of more baking powder on top. It gives it that warm rustic terracotta vibe I was going for. Now I'm doing the same thing to the other pumpkin, mixing a little bit of baking soda with black paint to give it that textured look. This method works on any old pumpkin and gives it that terracotta pottery barn style. And with a sprinkle of cinnamon, not only will it look high-end, it will smell good too. I just love how cozy and beautiful this dupe turned out. Now that we're done with our pumpkins, don't you love my little fall-y Halloween coffee corner? I love it. Anywho, so this is a balloon holder that I've used for plenty of my birthdays. So I think I'm going to use it for this Halloween decor. So what I'm thinking is putting this bowl on top, putting a sheet over it, and make it into a ghosty. Maybe into a witch ghosty. Let's see how it turns out. So what I love about this balloon holder, all you need to do is add water so it won't go anywhere, which is perfect for our little ghosty because we don't want it to fall. So now it's sturdy. This ghosty will not go nowhere. But now we're going to do the head of the ghosty. And I think we're just going to glue it on here. Just like okay. I think our ghost is looking perfect. Alright. Now I had this from my craft stash. So use what you can, guys. I'm telling you, Halloween decor does not need to be expensive. This right here is an old tablecloth I had for a party. And it's gonna be perfect for this. So all you do is just put it over. Look at our ghosty! Isn't it adorable, guys? I am in love. So I'm thinking this ghosty should be a witch. Let me go get a hat. Okay. So now we're gonna add some ghosty eyes. Okay. So the best bet is just to cut out one and outline the other, so it'll be even. Like that. No. Make it into a twist. Look how adorable it came out. I love it. Woo! This is adorable. So here I'm adding spider lights and my witch hats on top to go with our witchy theme. Can't wait to show y'all. Before we get to the final reveal, I want to show y'all a few other items I've added to my porch that I made previously. Here's my cozy Halloween wreath all finished and ready to hang. Here's a closer look at with the bear cutout. You can actually shop this in my store. Here's the QR code you can scan with your phone to check it out and help support my channel. And have you seen me wearing these little ghost earrings in this video? I also made them and they'll be available in my Shopify store as well. Now let's take a look at the full front porch at night. Here we go, walking past Bluey, my daughter's favorite character, and over to the lights with the witch hat. I love how it looks so whimsical. And here are the pumpkins and ghosts that glow so beautifully because I placed Christmas lights underneath the ghosts through the pumpkins. And I also added a cinnamon broom to make it look more witchy. I just love how the door hanger and my doormat brings it all together and it looks so amazing. I love it. And here how it looks during the day. So beautiful, so festive, and so ready for Halloween. Thank you so much for joining us here at Nessa's Nest Designs. I hope this Halloween DIYs inspire you to get creative and a little cozy for your home. Don't forget to check out my Shopify store for some more pieces you saw today. And I can't wait to see you back here for more DIYs, seasonal projects, and cozy home inspirations. Happy Halloween, y'all!